Hello, folks, and welcome back. I'm your host, Suleiman Qureshi, and today I'm going to introduce you to artificial intelligence and Excel. So, this is something very interesting I've come across recently, and I believe it is very important, and I rather feel obliged to share it with you. First and foremost, this is not a promotion video. I did go through this initiative from David, and I really liked it, and I thought it's worth sharing with all of you. So, this is basically Excel Formula Bot. Excel Formula Bot basically is a merger of Excel with artificial intelligence, and it gives you an opportunity to transform your text into formulas. So you write your statement, problem statement, to this Excel Formula Bot, and this application, with the help of artificial intelligence, is going to convert your idea, your problem, your issue, or your statement into an Excel formula or function that will help you to pull into your problems into um, solutions. So that's very interesting. It's really helpful to stop wasting time. It is very powerful and useful on both Microsoft Excel and Google spreadsheets as well. So it's definitely a game changer in my opinion, and it's going to help a lot our users, very specifically, who are not getting along with the formulas, to get along with this application. So I'll step by step showcase to you some areas. So stay with me. First of all, I will show you how a problem can be converted into a formula. So turn your spreadsheet problems into formulas in seconds. Let's see how it is done. After that, I'm going to share with you how formulas on the other way around can be explained by this application in seconds. Let's have a look at the functionality. And then I'm going to demonstrate how translation of the formula from different languages can be done as well. So there are many languages available as well. You can have a look at it. This is, I think, one of the issues that we have had with Excel during the course of last few years, that language change creates a lot of issues. So let's see a demonstration of that. And in this software, you can also have access to entire history of your request. So I think this is also very important to have a track of what you have been doing in past. So from easy to medium and hard, all the solutions are there. Let's have a look at that. So last but not the least, very important fact that this is paid software. You can try it for free, of course. The cost is, I mean, if you see the functionality and cross match it with the cost itself, it's nothing. Still, David has been kind enough to give all of you a subscription discount. So use this Excel to Excel promotion code, and you will definitely get 2 months of subscription discount on your subscription. So I think even better, you get a discount on that. So, David, thank you very much for that. So you have the link down there in the description to the promotion code, to the website of an application site of Excel Formula Bot. Go over there and experience it. I'm very sure you will enjoy that. And don't forget, after that, share your comments in the comment section, share your ideas over here. You can directly communicate with David on his application. There is a chat link as well. You can live chat with the team over there. I believe this is going to be quite interesting for you, and I think it's an idea worth spreading. That's how I will say that. So I hope you enjoyed it, fellows. I look forward to speak to you again. Until then, take very good care of yourself and stay safe. Ta-da.